Hey guys, it's Tuesday right now, and I'm just recording a quick clip because I got a couple packages in today, and I wanted to do this test before Friday so I could talk about if it worked or not. But by the time you guys see it, it will actually be Friday, so it is another clip in that video. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and hopefully this works. So the first package I got is from Hugo Studio off of Etsy. He's who I get the leather for my SX70s from, and he does a really great job, but I wanted to show you the leather that I got. As I mentioned before, it's the same color as Baby, and it will be on this SX70 that I'm restoring if this next test works. And that being said, the next package is actually from Polaroid. I got some SX70 film, and I'm going to be testing this camera out because if it doesn't work, there's no point in re-leathering it. As always, if you're going to be using sharp objects, be careful because you could cut yourself. Bubble wrap. SX70 film going in. Moment of truth, guys. So, it shot out the dark slide, which is good, but I believe it's supposed to shoot out the dark slide without me having to press the button. So that is a little concerning to me, but it did shoot it out no problem, so that's a plus. So what I'm going to do is test the camera out by using at least half or more of this film before I re-leather it, because I really don't want to waste my time if the camera does not work. So the test was a mixed bag. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. I'll chat more about it on Friday. It's me again. I'm sitting in my car. I just got done taking a walk and I took the SX70 out and I pressed the shutter button. It didn't do anything, so I pressed it again and it shot this guy out. As you can see, there is no picture. And then I tried closing it and it doesn't close. And when I look through it, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you're supposed to be able to see outside of it. And it's dark. You can't see anything inside of it. So there are a couple issues that it could be. So I'm going to have to do more research. One, I think I wasted a pack of film, which I hope is not the case. And two, I think the camera might be shot, but we'll see. This camera is becoming more work than I thought it would be. So I'm going to keep testing it and I'll keep you guys updated. This is what $22.22 of wasted Polaroid SX70 film looks like. Every single frame. And this is what a broken SX70 looks like. The mirror on the inside, the Fresnel mirror, is not working, so I'm gonna have to fix that. And yeah, I can't see anything out of the camera. It doesn't close. It doesn't take any pictures. So my next step is to decide if I want to tear it apart for parts and use it in future restorations, or take it apart and fix it. I'm not really sure how that'll go. I've never taken one of these fully apart, so I am going to do research as far as how to take it apart. I know that I need to make a few tools because some of the bolts are proprietary to Polaroid, and even if I did find a screwdriver, they don't even make those tools anymore. So I would either have to spend an excessive amount of money just to get the proper tooling or make my own, which is doable. I know people online are doing that. So my next step is to write a list of things that I need to make the tools, which on top of that list is a Dremel, and then I need a soldering iron, and yeah, just a few things to get this up and working. But yeah, I'm kind of bummed. I was hoping that this was gonna be a good restoration project for me, which it still could be, but for now it is a paperweight. So that's my update. Thanks for watching Instant Film Friday, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, leave me a comment in the comment section down below, letting me know what you guys think of my broken SX70, and I'll talk to you next week.